Hi everyone, welcome back to my mukbang. Today I'm back with some Japanese instant noodles. So this is Japanese ramen, but it's not one of those fresh noodles, but these are actually like instant noodles that I had to cook. Like those like Korean packaged ones. So I made two of these guys. This is Misin Rao ramen noodle soup, umami miso flavor. So I made two of these guys. I'll put it right here. And I made my own pork belly or chashu pork belly. I just pan fried it and then marinated or like cooked in soy sauce that has like sugar, mirin, corn syrup, and a bunch of other stuff. If you guys want to know how to make it, there are a bunch of recipes out there. I just made mine really quick. So I don't even want to call it a recipe. So I just quickly made these guys, and obviously you guys can see some sesame seeds and some boiled eggs. I wanted to make it like a soft boiled, where the yolks are kind of like runny, but I cooked it a little too long. Anyways, for today's drink, I have natural pamplemousse grapefruit flavor sparkling water. I don't think have I tried this one? Maybe I did. I am in love with sparkling water. Seriously, you have no idea how many friends that we got to start drinking sparkling water. The other day I tried drinking Sprite with tong, and we couldn't. It was too sweet. Yeah, so good. We got so many people to drink this. It's kind of crazy how like a lot of people in the beginning like hated it, including myself. Actually, Tone got me into it, and like, I hated it at first. I'm like, this tastes so bad. It's just so flavorless, but it was just terrible. I hated it. At one point, I just drank. I was so thirsty. I'm like, oh my god, this is so good, and I've been hooked ever since. Mhm. That's my life's changing story. Anyways, let's start with some soup. I haven't tried the pork yet, so I'm kind of excited. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try. So look at this pork. Mmm. Mm. Mm. Oops. 5-second rule. Doesn't this chopstick show like history of my mukbang? It's so worn out. But it's okay. I'm gonna get some eggs. I'm gonna get the noodle first. Let's get some noodles. Mmm. It's hitting the spot. Mm. So You know how there's like 5 Jurassic Park, Jurassic World movies are out? Yesterday, I remember watching one of the Jurassic Park, but I just never really watched it, so I don't remember anything. But you know, Dong was watching like the third one, and he was trying to explain to me like why this is that, like why the story goes like the way it goes. He was trying to give me like the backstory of it. I'm like, does the first one tell you all that? He's like, yeah, of course. I'm like, oh my god, I kind of want to watch it. So yesterday was my first time watching the Jurassic Park. I watched the first one, I loved it, and I watched the one with Chris Pratt, not the newest one, but that came out in 2015, Jurassic World. The newest one out right now is Jurassic World 2, right? This is really hard. Look at this pork. Ten-second rule. I never watched the Guardians of Galaxy, but Chris Pratt is in it, right? I don't know, but my gosh, I fell in love with this character. The new one. Not the new one. But first Jurassic World. My gosh. I just like love his character. Like, it's such a lovable, you know, person. I like that. So, what was I gonna say? Anyways, yeah, I became a huge fan of Jurassic Park. I think I'm going to rewatch the first one, and I'm going to rewatch the Jurassic World. So good. Oh, and by the way, the reason, like, I really like those characters, like Chris Pratt, like really animal loving, like kind of thing, like, oh, these are animals too. Why are you treating them like, you know, they're just like a science experiment. You know, he's like you know, although they started as a science experiment, they're now living thing. That's why I really like the Rampage. Is it Rampage? The one with the Rock, Dwayne Johnson, and like the gorilla thing. That one's a really good movie. I liked it a lot. Like how he's like, he loves that gorilla. Yeah, this is getting salty. Oh, this is so filling. I think I could just try to finish the noodles. Oh. Oh my god. And that was my movie talk of the day. I really like movies. I mean, during high school, I had a phase where like I was really into Korean dramas, but I just get so long and it's I don't know, if they drag it out too much, like, oh, in the next episode, I'm just like, oh my god, I've been waiting. I thought this was gonna happen this episode. Now I have to wait another episode. I hated that. So, I mean, there are still dramas or like, what is it? Soap opera? What's drama? Like, how do you explain drama? Like, if there's any like a TV show I want to watch, I wait until everything comes out. And recently in Korea, they've been only making up to 16 episodes, but I'm pretty sure it's because like people get sick of it after like 16th episode. I don't know, but that's what they've been doing, and I like that. But still, it's still a little too long for me. Like, Suits, the TV show, they made one in Korea, the Korean version. Like after like the fifth one, I just like got sick of waiting. I'm just like, I don't even want to watch it anymore. Just like it kind of kills the vibe, like that kills the excitement. I'm like, yeah, I'm over it. Like I was so excited for the first two episodes. I'm like, I don't want to wait for every like Thursday for it to come out. I got sick of it. So I like movies. Movies like I rather sit for 2 hours, 2 3 hours, and just gonna kind of finish everything. I love movies. That's why like Tong and I recently thought about getting the movie pass at AMC, but we thought that like I don't even think we're gonna go every month. Even if we don't go every month, we are still making money. But I don't know. We just decided not to get it. Stupid. We should have kept it because now we canceled it because we got it, but we decided to cancel it. But we didn't realize that we can't get another one for 9 months. So if you guys are thinking about getting a movie pass, basically you pay $10 a month, but it's unlimited movie. Like you can go anywhere, anytime, as long as AMC, like newest movie. I don't know. We should have just kept this $10 a month. There's already another movie that I want to watch. I still want to have to watch Jurassic World. I want to watch Ocean's 8. There's this new movie coming out. It's called The Spy That Dumped You with Mila Kunis and the other lady. She's from Ghostbusters. I really like her. She's really cool. I wanted to watch that. Now I have to wait. So, but on Tuesdays it's $5. So, $5 at AMC. So if you guys are interested, go on Tuesdays. I'm so full. I am so full. I am about to throw up. Seriously, I want like yesterday. Like before the previous video, I filmed the seafood mukbang. Oh my gosh, I just couldn't get up. I was so full. I just really wanted to throw up, but obviously, I didn't have to throw up. I just felt that way. It was just so filling. I am so full right now. I just want to like puke everything out. So much food. But yeah, the pork is from Costco, and if you guys are interested, go to Costco. Man, they have some thick ass pork, super grill. Like I have like a huge pack, and that was like under $20, which is really really affordable. And I think I'm going to grill the rest of them. I love like thick pork bellies. They taste better than the thin ones they sell at like H Mart or like Korean groceries. Go to Costco. Anyways, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. In Chicago, it's currently rainy. I'm supposed to go to the city tonight and have fun with my friends. But yeah, enjoy your weekend. I'll see you guys next time.